If you want a serious upgrade for the lighting of your 2009 to 2014 F-150, then the AlphaRex Mark II LUXX-Series LED Projector Headlights will be a great fit for your build. These are some seriously cool lights that bring a ton of output and give your truck a clean, modern look, plus they're packing a few neat tricks up their sleeve as well. Upgrading from halogens to full LEDs is going to make a massive improvement in visibility, and the Mark II LUXX-Series lights go even further than their predecessors in both output and styling. Now, while the lighting improvement is important, I want to touch on the stylistic elements here first. Inside, you're going to find AlphaRex's signature Alpha Black housings that give these a much more aggressive look as compared to your factory lights, and even as compared to some others with black internal housings. These are just a little bit more. And with the clear lenses over the top, you get that blacked out look with absolutely no impact to lighting output. Now inside, you're going to find even more updates versus the original LUXX series. The LED bars have a more smoked appearance to them, and they're inset a little bit more too, so they integrate better with the actual housing itself. Those lights can also be lit in either amber for more of that Raptor style look, or a bright white. The triple strakes down at the bottom here match those LED light bars, and they add to that aggressive appearance as well, since they are part of the daytime running lights and also your sequential turn signals, and they give your truck that much more modern appearance. Now these honestly do look very clean and almost like they could have been a factory option, and they go a long way to modernizing the front end of your truck. Now in the center, you're also going to find a pair of high-powered LED projectors. These are the main source of your lighting output, and they are way brighter than anything your truck could have come with from the factory, and they even outshine the original LUXX-Series lights too. Now the outer projector is going to function as your low beam, with the inner one jumping in when you activate the high beams. The projectors give you a wide beam pattern with a clean, sharp cutoff, and they throw lots of light further out to the sides and further ahead of you, making it easier to see in the dark or any adverse conditions. Now you're going to find a few more amber LEDs on the outer edges here that act as marker lights, and that means you've got a full complement of LEDs here. And these things honestly just look sick. When you lock or unlock your truck, you'll also see an activation sequence, which just adds that OEM style integration. While it doesn't add anything functionally, frankly, it's just cool, and it makes the act of getting into your truck that much more fun each time. Construction is all pretty first rate here as well. The outer housings are made from polypropylene and feature those Alpha Black inner housings, and you've got the clear polycarbonate lenses over top. So again, you're gonna get that blacked out stealthy look without sacrificing lighting output. The lenses also have an anti-fog agent and another coating on the outside of them to keep them clear in all conditions and help prevent against fading, yellowing, and cracking. Now inside, these are going to feature specifically designed LED chips for superior light output and longevity. On the back, you'll find breather vents to prevent fogging, and the integrated adjusters here mean that these are DOT and SAE approved and thus fully street legal. Pricing comes in at about $825 for the pair. And for a set of fully LED lights that integrate and look the way these do, that makes them a darn good value in my book. There's a lot to like here, especially considering you're not sacrificing output or style, and you're also gonna save some money versus other full LED options, which really kind of makes these a no-brainer. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 2 hours to complete. Now these are designed to be totally plug and play, so there's no wiring or modifications needed. And for those of you who have the HID headlights from the factory, there is an included wiring harness that you can plug in that will make sure that these adapt perfectly and work the way they're supposed to. We're also going to walk you through the installation process right now, so for that, let's head on over to the shop.
All right, for this install, you're going to need a 3/8 ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a small pocket screwdriver. Today we're going to be installing headlights on our F-150, but first we're going to watch a quick uninstall video and we'll meet you right here when you get back.
All right, step number 1, we pop the hood. We're going to focus on our passenger side headlight. There are 2 10mm bolts at the top, and you're going to pull this flap aside, and there's one on the inside toward your grill. So I got my 10 socket on my impact gun. Let's get these 3 out of the way. All right, from there, just pull your headlight straight off. All right, once you have that off, just pinch and disconnect your harnesses. If you need to, you can use a flathead to help pull this off. Perfect. All right, now we can set this aside.
Now that we have our stock assembly out, we can now install our new assembly. First, we're going to connect the connectors on the back. Going with our side marker light. Push that down, and we'll just let that rest. And connect our end one. And then we're going to take our new harness that comes with the headlight and plug that in. Once we have all the connectors connected, we can now put it back in the housing. Now we can get our tabs lined up and push in on our housing. Now we can get our 10mm screws back in. And we can tighten this up using our 10mm socket. Now we can get to our last screw. Again, tighten this up with our 10mm socket. Once you get your connectors in and your headlight installed, you can now repeat for the other side. That wraps up our install for AlphaRex MK2 LUXX-Series LED Projector Headlights, Alpha Black housing with clear lens for 09 to 14 F-150. Just remember, for everything F-150 related, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.